Oh, gentle countrymen, I'm going to say farewell to all people in America. Oh, gentle countrymen, I'm going back to my home in Africa. I'm going back to my home in Africa. My people are crying for me, so let me go back home. So let me go back home. My life in America, such happy life. My life in America, such happy life. But I'm feeling loneliness when I remember Africa. But I'm feeling loneliness when I remember Africa, my home of happiness. So let me go back home. So let me go back home.
Honorable countrymen, we've had a wonderful time together. I've enjoyed seeing your mountains and your rivers. I've admired the national character of your people. But you know, home is always sweet, and all my beloved ones live there. And when I remember Africa, how I long to go back home.
I'm going back to Kenya, that part of Africa. I'm going back to Kenya, my home of happiness. I'm dying of loneliness. Please let me go back home. My people are crying for me. So goodbye, countrymen. So goodbye, countrymen.
Musa nimevumilia sana, Musa nimevumilia sana, kupigwa kama mimi punda, na sura yangu imeharibika, na ngumi zako za kila siku Musa. Tabu kweli Musa, uliponioa sura yangu haikuwa na alama hata moja. Nilikuwa na afya nzuri, nilinona kama ngoima ya kirige. Musa ndugu, kweli Musa, uliponioa sura yangu haikuwa na alama hata moja. Nilikuwa na afya nzuri, nilinona kama ngoima ya kirike. tafadhali Musa, tafuta bibi atakayeweza kuvumilia hizo tabia zako. Ukinywa pombe wamunywia yeye, ukinywa munyeke wamunywia yeye. Ole, ole, ole.
Mama, salamu zako nimezipata, ninashukuru kwa kunikumbuka.